Welcome. If you wanna change the name of your AirPods, there's really easy. So go to the settings, click on the Bluetooth, and as you can see now we have to click on the information icon, click on the name, and now just name it like you want. I will set the name of Hard Reset, 2nd Gen. And now if you input your name, just click on it done. And right now, as you can see, there's our name, but also you can open the case. And as you can see, with notification, Hard Reset 2nd Gen name. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course, comments below.